we were engaged. What happened? Tell me why my future husband left. Hi guys. So before I even get started in this video, could you please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel? Come on. So I was about to do my makeup for a video, and I was like, doing my makeup is boring. It's boring. So why not tell you a little short story time while I'm doing my makeup? So here goes. It's a juicy story. You probably already know from the topic already what the story is about. It's about my failed love life. I have many failed love stories, okay? So I was at this little get together thing. I was at this okay, I don't want to talk about it because this is like, can I talk about this? Because this is affecting people. But who cares? I want to talk about it. I was at this event and I was like, no, I was having a good time. And we do talks and stuff like that. And there was this guy that was so good looking, blessed with good looks. The thing is, I've seen this guy before, but I didn't think I never noticed. I'm sorry. I mean, I don't know. I never noticed him before. But then I saw other people did these videos. I don't want to talk about stuff. So like I've seen this guy before, but I probably never noticed him or something. I don't know. But I noticed him one time. I was like, whoa, hello there. But obviously I didn't like. But I saw him, like I was shocked when I saw him because I was like, I was mid laugh. I was laughing like, and then I looked at, oh hello. I was like, oh no, you see my ugly laugh. And so I looked away real quick, like, oh my god, do a cute laugh, do a cute laugh. Liar, that's not my real laugh. But it was so cute. I didn't want him to see a weird laugh. You know what I'm saying? I wanted him to see my cute laugh. Anyway, I'm totally doing this wrong. I just want to do a quick makeup look. And that was the first time I noticed him. Basically, someone was telling me a funny story, and then I was doing like my shock laugh, like. But when I turned around, I saw him. I was like, oh, oops. I literally have a cute laugh. I swear that it's not my real laugh. Like, I don't laugh like that. Awkward. I know I look crazy right now. And I'm not telling the story properly. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not a good storyteller. So that was the first time I met this guy. And this is not my first love. And like, no. That was the first time I met this guy, yeah. And then we went to this event, another event, and then he was the one giving the talk. I don't know, it was just a guy giving a talk. And oh my god, I was like, oh, okay, I love me a little, like, boss man that can take charge. I said, ooh, all right. When he was giving the talk, he caught my eye. Like our eyes met, and I was like, I was like, And I was like, oh, okay, this is the like. I just because it was an innocent moment. Like I was being, like I wasn't thinking this to be taught. Like I was just like, okay. I was like, oh, okay, oh, okay. And then eyes met. It was innocent for me. Like it was innocent on my part. It was innocent. wait, what are you saying, Karima? Like all your looks are not innocent. But anyway, like I'll just like just when you meet someone's eye, just I meet because he was the one giving the talk. Like it's normal for me to look at you. You're the one giving the talk, right? Look somewhere else. But he didn't look somewhere else. He didn't. He did not look somewhere else. So I was like, oh, okay. Someone is feeling me. I'm saying like, I mean, who wouldn't feel this, right? I'm vain, guys. I'm so vain. And I'm like, of course you will feel this. I mean, look at me. Look. What? Why are you chatting? Why are you chatting? Of course you will feel me, right? And I was feeling myself like, yeah, they noticed me because I'm cute. So I gave me a little bit of confidence, and like I was like, okay, this is the longest stay I've ever. This is the longest eye meeting thing I've ever met in my life. And so I just looked at him like, oh, I cannot handle this. So that gave me confidence, like, oh, he's feeling me. Yeah. So I was like, okay, you know what? Like I was saying, like, I'm the weirdest person. Once I like someone, I'm thinking, well, you like me, right? I mean, you caught my eye for like 10 seconds and 20 seconds and you didn't look away. Let's get married. What's up? What's up? Where my ring at? Where is my ring at? Before you think it's gonna be a happy ending, no, you don't know. I'm still single. Whatever. Anyway, so I'm like confident, like that's it. That's my future husband. I'm done. The single life is over. Like finally, let's do the wedding dance. And I was like, okay, this is cool. And then one time, like I mentioned, it was an event. It was a group I was in. So we do events once in a while. And then like I actually had like an honest question to ask about the next event. And I was like, wait, hold on. I have my future husband. Why not test my future husband to give me info? And mind you, I've never tested this person before in my life. But then I was like, well, you looked at me. That means you're ready to marry me, right? We're ready. We can do this thing. Propose already. I'm like, okay, you know what? Since you're not gonna propose, it's not, my skin color is it's not making sense. Let me do something. That is my. So I was like, okay, you know what? Since we're gonna get married, why am I asking the group? Why not they just ask my future husband? Like, I'm married already. I'm basically engaged already. I'm delusional, I swear that I'm so delusional. What's what is I'm not even that kind of fairy tale kind of girl. So I don't understand why. I don't understand it. I'm not the type that's like, oh, Cinderella. Oh. Nope. I'm not that kind of girl. I don't even like fairy tales. I'm like, I don't get it. The only fairy tale I get, oh no, dirty already. Great, well done. I don't even get fairy tales. Oh, don't look at that dirty sleeve, guys. It's a new shirt. I've never even worn it out. Great. Like, I'm not the type to be all like googly eye. I don't have time for that. Period. But then I was like, you know what? He looked at me. He caught my eye. He didn't look away. He's ready to marry me. I'm settled. But then tell me why this boy ignored my test. Oh, maybe I freaked him out. Oh my god. Maybe he could tell us like, oh, what have I done? Why did I look at that girl? Tell me why this guy did not message me back, like. But then obviously I have to save face. I didn't want to be like, hello. Because if I test you once, I don't care who you are. If I test you once, if you don't reply, that's it. I'm not gonna ask you again. Sorry. I was like, waited. Now I'm like, oh shoot, what have I done? What have I done, right? So I was like, what have I done? Oh my god, I need to do something about this madness. So I was like, why am I not getting a reply? Well, we're basically engaged. Excuse you, like, you're rude. Is something wrong with you? Are you okay at all? By the way, don't mind me, guys. I'm not usually like that. Like, like, why you not replying to my message though? We're engaged. What are you doing? Oh, whoa, you messing this thing up. We're supposed to be married. I'm crazy. I don't even I don't even understand the whole marriage thing. So I don't even know why I was like I was like that. I don't even ask. So basically, I was like, that was rude. Like, you could just be like, Kariba, don't talk to me. But I don't even know, whatever. Oh my god, I was so embarrassed. Like, bruh. We were engaged. What happened? Tell me why my future husband left somebody. Don't mind me, I'm just joking. So that was the end of that. Yep, that's one of my failed love stories. Oh my god. And guess what? I was like, you know what? Okay, this guy, I mean, he seemed like a decent guy. Like, you know what I'm saying? Tell me why everyone in my friend group knew about this. I was like, Karima, did you go to and did I'm like, dude, all I did was ask. Like, it's not like I was like, yo, what's up? All I did was ask a question like, what time is the event again? Like, is the date has a date been decided on? Literally, that was it. Like, and they turned it into like, tell me that wasn't like, hello, assalamu alaikum. You were looking at me the other day. Are you ready for marriage? Like, is there something like, do you want to, like, are you okay? Do you want me or something? Because if you do, I'm ready. Thank God I didn't do that. Because, dude, all I asked was, what time is the thing? Men are such drama queens. Like, oh my god, are you kidding me? What's the whole freaking word about this? And why am I telling literally the whole wide world about this? Anyway, men are weird, honestly. I have more embarrassing love stories if you want to hear them. And trust me, I'm not making this up. And by the way, if you know who I'm talking about, if you're watching this and you're like, don't leave in the comments anyone's name or like, oh, I know what you're talking about. No, don't even do it. Don't even do it. Like, excuse you. So basically, oh my god, I have so many more crazy love stories. If you want more of this and you think, oh, that's not enough, give us more. Like, um, oh, that was good. Let's hear another one or something. Whatever the situation is. I'm not a very good storyteller, if you can tell. Bye. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah.